What's up, crypto fam? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now, because today we're about to unlock the secrets to navigating the Web3 universe with a Web3 wallet. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why having the right wallet is critical to your crypto journey. Let's go. So, let's start with the basics. What the heck is a Web3 wallet? In simple terms, it's your digital passport to the decentralized internet. Think of it as your safe, your bridge to the blockchain, and your gateway to a whole new world of possibilities: NFTs, decentralized finance, DeFi, and so much more. Whether you're into NFTs, staking, or swapping tokens, you need a Web3 wallet to interact with these platforms. Without one, you're locked out of the entire Web3 ecosystem, and we don't want that, do we? Now, there are a ton of Web3 wallets out there, so how do you know which one is the right fit for you? Let's talk about the key things you need to look for when choosing a Web3 wallet. First things first, security. Security is your #1 priority. Your wallet is where your digital assets live. If your wallet gets compromised, you could lose it all. So make sure you pick a wallet that supports two-factor authentication, backup phrases, and cold storage options for added security. I mean, we're talking about your hard-earned crypto here, right? A couple of extra security steps could save you from a world of trouble. Now let's talk about ease of use. Some Web3 wallets are super simple. Just download, create an account, and you're off to the races. But others can be a little tricky, especially for beginners. Look for a wallet with an interface that makes sense to you. It should be easy to navigate, whether you're just holding crypto or actively using dApps. You want a wallet that lets you easily check your balances, swap tokens, and even interact with NFTs. One of the coolest things about Web3 wallets is the ability to integrate with so many platforms. With the right wallet, you can buy, sell, and trade NFTs on platforms like OpenSea or Rarible. You can also stake your tokens on DeFi platforms like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and Aave. Your wallet becomes the key to participating in these exciting markets without relying on a middleman or a centralized platform. Now, let's talk about compatibility. The Web3 world is constantly evolving. Whether you're working with Ethereum, Solana, Binance Smart Chain, or any other blockchain, your wallet needs to support multiple networks. You don't want to be stuck with a wallet that can only support one crypto asset or one blockchain, especially as you get deeper into the ecosystem. So check that your wallet supports cross-chain interactions, which means it should be able to work with multiple blockchains like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and even the newer ones like Polygon or Solana. And let's not forget about backup options. What happens if you lose your phone? Or if something happens to your laptop? That's why most Web3 wallets provide you with a recovery phrase, a series of words that you can write down and store safely. That way, if something goes wrong, you can restore your wallet on a new device. Your backup phrase is like a secret key to your wallet. Keep it safe. Do not share it with anyone, because if someone gets their hands on it, well, let's just say they can access your crypto, and that's not something you want. So, now that we've covered all the essentials, security, ease of use, compatibility, and backup options, how do you actually start using a Web3 wallet? Simply download your wallet app, set up your account, and make sure you've backed up your recovery phrase. From there, you can start interacting with the Web3 world. You can transfer crypto, buy NFTs, and even explore decentralized finance applications, all from the safety of your wallet. Now, let's talk about what's next. If you're ready to step up your game and get involved in the Web3 ecosystem, make sure you're following the channel, because we've got tons of exciting content lined up. From step-by-step guides to the best wallets for 2025 to insider tips on how to protect your assets in this fast-moving space. Now here's my challenge for you. Download a Web3 wallet today, explore it, and dive into this decentralized revolution. Don't forget to comment below and share your experience. What's your go-to Web3 wallet? Are you a MetaMask person, or do you swear by Trust Wallet? Let me know. And as always, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a crypto update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there and stay decentralized.